Safari Montage is a multimedia database where users may access videos, images, and other multimedia files across a broad range of content areas. In this video, I will demonstrate how to access and navigate the Safari Montage database. To access the Safari Montage database, go to the library homepage and click on the My Links link on the left pane. In the right pane, go down to Monroe BOCES 1 Resources and click on Multimedia Resources. At this site, you'll see a iMedia BOCES Multimedia Resource screen. Go ahead and click on Video on Demand, and that will bring you to a screen asking for your username and password. Go ahead and type in your school network login information and click Login. This is the Safari Montage homepage. I will briefly describe how to navigate the database. Go ahead and you will notice that right away you are at the dashboard. We won't be talking about playlists today, but I do want to show you the My Media section. Here you will be able to see all the recent videos or images that you looked at while on Safari Montage. This screen over here is where all those videos and images will be shown. If you have an error that pops up when you log into Safari Montage, that means you need a plugin, and depending on your access, you may need to get an administrator, librarian, or someone else to help you make sure you have the latest and greatest plugins. Next, we're going to talk about the search screen. You'll notice at the top of each one of the screens in Safari Montage, you have access to this very simple search screen. Here you can type in keywords and pull up resources that are related to those keywords. You can get a little bit more detailed from the search tab. I'm going to type in Renaissance, and I'm going to select that I want to look at grade materials that would be suitable for grades 9 through 12. And let's see what happens when I search that. You'll notice you also have the ability to refine this further, but I think the refinement you'll most likely find useful is the grade range. What comes up in the right pane is our results list. We have 124 videos and 362 images available to us. There aren't any audio files or flip charts associated with the Renaissance, but other topics definitely have this information. Let's take a quick look at one of these videos. You'll see when we look at this Godfathers of the Renaissance Birth of a Dynasty video, we have the option to click into more chapters. This is a nice feature because it doesn't require that you look at the entire video. Instead, you can just focus on the particular areas of the video that are most relevant to what you're studying. And in a lot of cases, it's kind of a short snippet, so it's not going to take a lot of your time watching information that maybe isn't relevant to your research. If search isn't how you want to get to your information, maybe browse will work for you. Clicking on the Subjects tab will bring up our Browse menu. Here you can browse by subject. I'm going to look in Social Studies, and all the files associated with Social Studies come up in my bottom pane here. Now granted, there's 12,000 plus files here. No one's going to want to wade through that, but you can start drilling down by clicking in the subject box into much more detailed information. So here I'm just looking at social studies, world history, wars. We have a breadcrumb trail at the top that lets you know what you've selected. Again, you can refine your search by grade and publisher, and also copyright, which may or may not be useful to you. Finally, we're going to take a quick look at the help, because this will help you as if you want to learn more about how to work with Safari Montage. Here you'll find a Getting Started guide that shows how to log in and log out, navigating the site, and using the dashboard. You'll find a wealth of information about all the features and functionality available to you from the tabs if you start here at the Help tab first. I hope this has been a great resource for you as you start working in Safari Montage. You'll find lots of videos pertinent to your topic areas. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact your library staff.